Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just got this Boxycharm Base. This is the $25 box dropped off on my doorstep like an hour ago. As if I'm not busy enough, I needed to film this while the baby is over there sleeping. So I'm in a different location. So you'll be seeing a lot of videos popping up. Let me know what's your best background. So I just opened this. This is the Boxycharm Base, and if you want to see what I got, then stay tuned. Okay, so this box, I wrote it here. It was 1.4 pounds, in case anybody's interested, and I will write it down there. So here is a sneak peek. That's it. And this is the card for the month of July. It is sunshine, and it is very cute with the lemons and the poolside. And I have variation number 40, if you can see that. Okay, great. So, I already looked. I forgot what my choice was because this is my personal box that I've had since December, and then I just opened up another account under my other email. They're both personal, but the other one is newer and it has like a different what do you call that? Yeah, I cannot think. The other one has like a little different, profile. There you go. Been a long day. Okay, so I will leave the total value at the bottom of the screen at the end of the video. And as always, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what your favorite thing out of this box is going to be and what you got that you liked or wanted to get. So, the first thing I see is this nice holographic pink touch insole. Pretty filter, glassy. Look at that. Nice packaging. Glassy skin balm. 1.05 ounces. It's a very nice package. So if you're interested in packaging, this is really cool. Let me see. Touch insole is made in Korea. So this is K Beauty. And where is it on here? It is $32. An ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. Let's see what it looks like. I don't know that I'll use it, but the packaging is really nice here too. And different type of container, like you can see, very different. And then you have the little lid. Ooh, well, this is nice. It's like a cream. I like it. Still not sure if I want to keep it, but I do love the packaging. So this is really nice. $32. Very expensive. And then I see something else here. It is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray, $22. I did kind of want this. I seen somebody open it and I did want it. It has the definite Ciate London looking packaging. It says fresh coconut extract, softening niacinamide, dewy finish, delicate coconut scent, cruelty and vegan free. Looking for an expiration date. And I don't know why this is covered, but it has like a different, it's 75 ml. It looks like they must have changed or put a sticker or something. I don't know. But here is the bottle. Very fancy packaging. Let me smell. Oh, wow. It almost smells like alcohol, to be honest. It smells like a pina colada. So if you like that, it is 2.53 fluid ounces, 75 mLs. I probably already said that already. The day is long. I'm sorry, people. I think some might have spilled out, but it smells really good, and I think I will be keeping that for myself because the only other setting spray that I have is Kula, which I love because it has SPF in it. So this is great, $22. And then I think this was my choice. Look at how it came. Already kind of open, about to fall out of the bottom. This is the 111 Clean Skin Vitamin C Boosting. Vitamin C Brightening Booster. It has watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. Very, very pretty glass bottle with a dropper. It's 30 mLs. Oh, it smells light, very light. I do like that. It's 1 fluid ounce total. I really like the smell. It's light, but you can kind of smell everything. You can smell the green tea, you can smell the watermelon, you can smell the pineapple. Let's see what it looks like on the skin. Okay. So this is $49.95. You can see it's very liquidy. A powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. So a little bit goes a long way because it's going everywhere. I like that. And with vitamin C, you got to make sure you put a sunscreen. Just so you know. Okay, what's next? I see this. This is the Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner. I should probably be quiet. This is $20. So we know what a color switch is. It has this sponge in here, so you can quickly clean off your brushes in between. Although you should probably wash your brushes, but this is quick. So that was nice. Let me put that back in here. This was cruelty and vegan free. It's recyclable, made in the USA. Very nice. Mix 3 drops to enhance your serum or cream, can be applied in the morning. Okay. Of age and stress skin. It's made in Delray Beach, Florida. Sorry, I'm going back, but that was the choice item. Okay, okay. So hidden in here was the last item, which is the Pure Cosmetics, another holographic package. Here's the back. This is the 12-piece pressed pigment palette, Pure Festival palette, weighs 0.5 ounces. MSRP is $36. There's 12 shades. I'm glad I got a palette. Get into the state of intense euphoria with the shimmer infused 12-piece pressed pigment palette. Alright. They're cruelty free, and again, it looks just like the packaging. Oh, here they go. They give you the colors right there. So it's clean, but there's no plastic film. So you can see, you want to see in my box. These are nice colors. I'm not sure what I want to do with them. They do have names. So this one is Euphoric. This is Turn It Up. Utopia, Electric, Fantasy World, Vibes. It's cool. I'm not sure how I feel about it. So I'm not going to touch it or swatch it. So I'm sorry. I might find a piece of film to just cover it in case I do decide to give it away. But it did come like that. So let me know what you guys think about what I got in the box. Do you think this is a good box? Again, it's variation 40, and we got this palette, which is great. We got an eyeshadow palette, and then the 111 You know what? I said 111, but this is Clean Skin Club. I'm sorry. I will fix that. It is the Clean Skin Club. Vitamin C Brightening Booster, the Ciate London Vacation Everyday Vacay Setting Spray, the Touch Insole Primer Balm, and then we got the Lavish Color Switch. So we did get 5 products, and let's see. This is makeup. This is skincare. It's a mix for me. It's a mix. So again, let me know what your thoughts are, and stay tuned because I'll have my other Boxycharm Base box. And as always, guys, stay safe.